back, go straight.
Y'all may want to be able to get out of the way just in case I slide.
Get out of the way, Celeste.
Which way? Keep straight?
Yeah. Straight for a little bit. Start dropping off. Turn the driver. Now you need to come to driver. A little bit more. You're down.
I wish I had my sway bars disconnected.
Hey, turn this way. I'm driver a little. Get that front wheel off that rock. Turn that way.
Well, I'm trying. The steering doesn't turn like it's supposed to.
Alright, come slowly. Hey, if it feels like it's going to roll, let go of the brake and roll
drop a little. Come on. There you are.
That sounded gross.
We just popped off the wheel. Okay, just kind of come this way about 2 foot and then start straightening it out a little bit.
Fills all the water.
You need a sunroof? You got it.
3-wheel motion. Your back wheel's not even close to the ground.
Come over here. Look at it.
Look. Driver's passenger
Turn
side
your-
back wheel.
Turn to your driver's side a little bit. There you go.
Like a glove. Nothing. Except for that.
Right.
Whoa, hold on.
Yeah, but
All right.
you're good.
You better lose the jack. This wheel ain't touching. It is now.